That might explain a lot. Your turn.
Loser.
Impressive move. I can beat that. Yes. Aha! You're doing very well. Guess what I have and you don't. Why, yeah. Oh, poopies. You beat me again, isn't that right? What do you mean? The smartest kid in school. You're me.
Oh, look at the time. It's very late, see? It's time to go. Bye.